What's up, guys? Hope you all have been doing well. I know it's been a little while since my last video. I've been lazy. I have not been lazy when it comes to growing this stash, as y'all can see. Coming together quite nicely. The ladies don't seem to care for it as much as I do, especially my mom and sister and lady friend and lady friend's mom. They don't seem to like it as much as I do, but I kind of dig it, and the boys kind of dig it, so that's all that matters. Hope y'all been doing good. I have not been doing that great when it comes to trading, and I'll jump into that and show you, well, from the thumbnail you can kind of tell what's been going on. Hasn't been pretty, but I have been learning some good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. Okay, so this is the trade that took care of some business when it comes to wiping away a lot of my account value. And this trade happened the 9th of August, so nearly a week ago. I'm recording this on the 16th. And yeah, it just put a damper on things, you could say, for sure. I was not disciplined. I made a lot of mistakes coming into the trading day, and because of that, I executed very poorly as well. So I've learned a lot of good lessons, and I know I keep saying that, but I'm continuing to learn and grow. Unfortunately, it seems to be taking a little more of me learning the same lessons over and over again before it cements. But I'm taking some actions to help myself learn the lessons quicker and prevent myself from making further mistakes in the future, making the same mistakes in the future. One of those things is making a list of trading rules. So actually writing out rules that I need to have to stick to in order to protect myself and protect my account. That being said, let's go ahead and review this one and done trade for the day. And yeah, I think y'all are going to enjoy it. So I'll pause it right here real quick too. This trade, I opened a position on my phone. I was going to get groceries this day, and I saw market open. It looked like it could pop up. I didn't even know what I was seeing. I shouldn't have been trading on my phone in the first place, but I took a small position, like 1 or 2 contracts, and then for some reason I kept doubling down on it, and I was just no setup. There's no setup at all. I just wanted to get a piece of the pie. I was worried about missing a move. And I think we saw a big pullback during the pre-market level. So I was thinking we could pop up and fill that gap. That was it. I was just hoping. So I took a position there on my phone on the way back to the house getting groceries. It wasn't on my laptop. Didn't see the whole picture. So that was a bad start. And then I just kept doubling down. And at this point, I'm in 14 contracts, which is just huge for me. And not managing my risk at all. I really don't have a stop. I'm just hoping it goes in my favor and I get a big move. So that's where we're at right now. And got stopped out there of 23 contracts. So that was a bummer. I think how much was I down? Down 35% at that one point. That's pretty nice. And I was in my whole account, I think. So nearly my whole account. So yeah, that was not a very good trade. I just kept doubling down. There were times when I should have adjusted my stop, but I didn't want to adjust it. I didn't want to adjust my stop because it was going to be a big loss. So I think 2 points when I was at or very near break even. But I was thinking and wanting a nice move in my favor. I didn't want to break even trade. I held stubbornly. I didn't adjust my stop because I didn't want to realize a bigger loss. And because of that, I just realized a huge loss. So this is the account as of now. This was that day. So down $1,079. Not too shabby. Then I've been scaling down. Lately, I've just been executing poorly. I haven't been capturing profits, and I've been holding way too long and getting stopped out prematurely of some moves. So it's just been pretty poor lately. But you know, I am sticking to some rules and keeping myself accountable in areas, not allowing myself to go crazy like this. So we're making steps in the right direction here. It's just, yeah, this day, this $1,000 day, being down $1,000 hurts in one day, and it sucks. Just didn't obey my rules, didn't stick to plan, and it sucked. So yeah, you know, I kind of exaggerated a little bit when I said blew up the account. We still have the majority of the account, okay? But we took a much bigger loss than we wanted to. We were down 30+% in one day on the overall account. Terrible. Learned some good lessons, and I hope y'all are learning and growing as well. That's it for this video. I wanted to keep it short and sweet, try to get this video out quickly. I don't have any trading notes. I've just been lazy. We're down $1,022 as of today. And right now we're just trying to go back to the basics, trying to go back to focusing on the process and to really focusing on the break and retest strategies. So that was my bread and butter. That's what I really like and I'm comfortable with trading, and trying to really zone in and focus on those trades. Wait for good setups. That's been my mistake that I've been repeatedly making, is jumping into setups prematurely. So I'm trying to wait patiently for those good setups to present themselves, not jump in or FOMO into trades before that, and then take and execute those trades well. That's my plan. I have not been doing a great job at that as of recently, but that's the plan going forward. And we're just going to continue learning and growing, continue making mistakes. I make mistakes every day, but learning and growing and focusing on the process, trying to keep my losses small and trying to learn from my mistakes. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all's trading is going a little better than mine. And if it's not, and that's okay, it's part of the process, and it's how you learn, is from red days, from making mistakes, and from going through this process. So enjoy the process, try to keep your head up, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.